Hi everyone, Simon here. I'm a professional trader with an 88.7% win rate. Today, I'm gonna share a great strategy that's ideal even for beginners in trading. Watch this video till the end to learn how to identify the optimal entry points to enter a trade and get stunning results. Let's get started. We immediately go to the platform to set everything up for the trading session. As you can see, I've invested 5. You can start with even a smaller amount. The trade time is 1 minute. The time frame for the candlestick is 30 seconds. We'll choose currency pairs in tandem with the Aussie. It will be the Canadian dollar, the Swiss franc, and the New Zealand dollar, as they have 92% yield. And we also add American Express and Facebook stocks, which also have the highest percentage. Great. And super important, the indicators will be RSI and Super Trend. There you go. Great, both indicators are correctly displayed on the chart, which means it's time to start trading. We start with Facebook. I'm entering a trade for a decrease. No need to overcomplicate things here. The RSI indicators are very close to the oversold zone, and Super Trend indicates that the downward movement will continue. Thanks to the indicators and an effective strategy. If you're curious, I delve into details of my most effective strategies and discuss the settings parameters with other traders on my Telegram channel. And here's the kicker for my nearly 15,000 subscribers: daily live sessions. I trade and share my signals live. My subscribers simply copy my actions and achieve the same results. Just yesterday, we collectively made almost 380,000, and this is more than 700 per person. For many of my followers, it's not just about learning from a pro. It's about improving their quality of life. I get messages every day from my followers with gratitude for the positive impact on their lives. Anyone can join our community, and it's all still free. Don't miss out on this opportunity and join now via link in the description or the pinned comments. Now let's start trading. Magnificent, the first profit, and now the deposit amount has increased to 9. Let's keep moving forward. American Express, the investment amount is now 9. All right, got it. Now I will press lower. Here we have a similar situation, and both indicators hint that the downward trend will continue. Oops, that was an unpleasant bounce. The trade closed very close to the entry point, but I still made my profit. After all, I chose one of the most wonderful trading methods where it's important to forecast market movements correctly, not the difference between the entry and exit points. Now on to the next step. Alright, the situation with the Aussie and the Kiwi is ambiguous. I'll pass. The Aussie and the franc, here we go, this is good. I'm increasing the amount and investing in an uptrend. Here the RSI indicator has just started to approach the 70 overbought zone, so the uptrend should continue. And of course, the third trade, as always, brings profit, and that's great. Now onward. So I'll pass again. The Aussie and the Canadian are not pleasing right now. That's why Facebook is back in the arena. This time I'm investing 33. Oh, I will now enter for an uptrend. So the RSI touched the 30 and the price bounces down more often after sell-offs. So it's logical to expect a rebound here. And by the way, it even started at the same moment I entered the trade. That's why it's very important to enter the trade at the right time. Again, the difference from the entry point is small, but I still increased the deposit to 63. Nice. American Express, I'm changing the amount. I will hit higher. The entry was made right at the beginning of the bullish rebound, and we should close before further downward movement. After all, we're trading on a 1-minute time frame, and my forecast is supported by Super Trend. And I was right, the trade managed to close in profit before the price fell even lower, although it was close to my entry point again, but the most important thing is the result. I have to skip the Aussie and the Kiwi again. But oh, what a beauty of the Aussie and the franc. I will invest 121 and go for an uptrend. It was the perfect entry point. The price reached the 30 mark after a strong bearish impulse. And moreover, the chart had already hit the support level to which it returned again. A good bullish response is guaranteed. And here it comes. To learn how to effectively identify entry points like me, join my Telegram channel. In it, I reveal all the nitty-gritty of technical analysis. I also host daily live training sessions and demonstrate how the material you've learned works in practice. And the best part, it's all free. Just copy my actions and get results. Just click on the link in the description under the video and in the first pinned message, and shoot me a private message. See you on Telegram. And once again, a charming closing of the trade. How delightful. Let's continue. The Aussie and the Canadian again. I will change the amount once more and hit the lower button. Here it's evident that the RSI has stalled and doesn't want to go up. Moreover, not long ago the price failed to break through the resistance level it has now reached. And there it is, a significant downward movement. My forecast was right again, the strategy showing its super powerful effectiveness, so let's keep moving forward. Alright, now it's time to skip Facebook. American Express. The investment is 477. I will enter a trade for a decrease. We've broken through an important resistance level, and on 1 minute time frame a bearish rebound should occur before the price goes higher. Ooh, that was risky just now. I was right in predicting the expected movement, but I assumed the rebound wouldn't be so modest. So the trade closed very close to the entry point again, but once again I ended up in profit. But that's all experience. The Aussie and the Kiwi don't inspire much confidence today. Then it's the Aussie and the franc. Excellent. Alright, I will change the amount and once again lower. Both indicators suggest that the trend will continue. RSI is too close to the oversold zone and supertrend doesn't show any changes in market sentiment. And the powerful bearish impulse that breaks through the support level brings me 1,647. Awesome. The Aussie and the Canadian. I'm changing the amount. Got it. Going for an uptrend. RSI is moving from the middle towards the higher values, indicating that the trend will continue. Well, I think the strategy has shown itself in the best light, so I suggest we conclude with a couple of final trades. Looks like Facebook will have to stay on the side again, so it's American Express. This is good. Maximum investment 1,000. I'm predicting decrease. We had a good height on the chart, the price reached a historical maximum. Now the trend has reversed and RSI predicts that the decline will continue. This trade is also in my favor and I've already increased my deposit quite nicely, so it's time to make the final trade. Well, to wrap up the session, I'll make a trade on the Aussie and the Kiwi. Same investment, I will press higher. RSI is looking upwards and after a slight dip, I expect a bullish rebound. After all, I'm trading on a 1 minute time frame. Ooh, once again, the trade closed very close to the entry point. The market is quite volatile today, but the main thing is that I had a very efficient session and now I have 4,408 in my account. And that's a very good result. Remember where I started? From a 20. And now? Incredible, isn't it? But I've proven it's possible. Do you want the same result? It's all very possible. There was a time when I couldn't even imagine making in a day what my father made in a month. To help others achieve their dreams, I share a bunch of valuable information with nearly 15,000 subscribers on my Telegram channel. I personally guide beginners, showing them how to navigate the trading platform and even which buttons to press. It's all detailed, step by step, and absolutely free. You can simply copy my trades, follow along, and achieve the same incredible results. And to give you a boost of motivation right now, let me tell you, It was through trading that I made my childhood dreams come true. I got a Lamborghini, bought a big apartment in a nice area, and gifted a house to my parents as well. If anyone watching this video want to turn their childhood dreams into reality, all they need to do is take a couple of steps. Join my Telegram channel, drop me a private message. Don't hesitate to try something new. Click the first link in the description or pinned comment and shoot me a private message. That's all for now.